Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn how to use VLOOKUP with a drop-down list. Say for example, I have a drop-down list here of cars which has Volvo, Ferrari, Mercedes, Suzuki, Aston Martin, Subaru, Ford, Chevrolet, and whenever I choose the name of the car, the data here changes. These say might be the monthly sale figures, and these are the highest sales, lowest sales, and the average sales. See, they will change once I choose say Mercedes or Ferrari. So how are we doing it? That's what we learn. In this sheet, we have the raw data wherein the name of the car manufacturers is mentioned over here. The countries are mentioned over here where they are sold. The cities are mentioned over here, and this contains the months and the sale values for these respective months. So now what we need to do is we need to have a drop down list which is linked to VLOOKUP. So which pulls up the data for all these months whenever a drop down list is selected. An item in the drop down list is selected. All right. So let's do that. So we all know how to create a drop down list. So no need of going into that. So what I did was I created a drop down list, and from here I can choose the name of the cars. Now here I want to apply a VLOOKUP formula which would start with is equal to, well actually we should learn I believe to create a drop down list again, because this is mainly about using VLOOKUP with a drop down list. So let's create a drop down list. To create a drop down list we would first remove this one. So we go to data validation and clear all. Okay, and then drop down is gone. From here we will learn how to create a drop down list. So go to data validation, and from here choose list and give the list a source. So the list is here. Say okay, and you got your list. All right. Now we need to start using the VLOOKUP formula. Now the lookup value has to be the cell where the drop down is being applied. Simple. Then the rest of the VLOOKUP is the same. So it's asking for a table array. The table array is this one. All right. And I am going to press F4 to lock the table array so that I can copy the VLOOKUP formula further. And over here, I just need to remember that January is in column 4. Car is in column 1, country is in column 2, city is in column 3, January is in column 4. So obviously, Feb would be column 5, March would be column 6, April would be column 7, and May would be column 8. So I'm going to press F4 once to lock this area, and I'm pressing comma. And since I'm looking data for Jan, I'll choose 4, comma 0 and close the bracket. So I've got the answer for January. Now I can copy this formula forward, but making a few changes. The first change is that I will go into the edit mode and lock the lookup value also. Currently it is looking at A4. So we want to keep the lookup value the same even when we drag the formula across. So I'll press F4 here again. So this is locked, and then press enter. Now I'll copy it. Now we are getting the same answer, 944, 944, 944, which was the same for January, because the column number, if we see, is not changing. It's 4 over here, 4 over here, 4 over here. We need to change the column numbers. So we can go there and choose the column, type the column number 5. Here, go and type column number 6. Here, go type column number 7. And column number 8. In another video, I have shown how you can use VLOOKUP with the columns formula to automatically take care of this problem also. Now over here, I'm showing the highest sales by using the max formula, the lowest sales using the min formula. I've taught both of these formulas also already, and the average formula is to show the average sales. Simple. Let me do that for you. Highest sales, we use the max formula, open, select the range, and you get the maximum value. Min, gives you the minimum value, and average gives you the average sales. Average. So this is how you use VLOOKUP with a drop down and for multiple columns and look at the highest value, and find the highest value from this, the lowest value from this, and the average sales. See you in the next video.